When I first came to Dr. Sharda, I had this diagnosis of lung cancer from the doctor out of state that had made that diagnosis. He called me on the telephone to tell me the bad news. And during the course of our conversation, I asked him, with good treatment, what would be my prognosis? His answer was that it was only a matter of time, that I could get some help, but I would only be buying time. And that was pretty scary. I did not think that there was much, if any, hope for me. After having met with Dr. Sharda, he was the person that I felt like I had hope. He had a very nice amount of confidence about him without being arrogant. And he just was the only person from the beginning of the whole cancer business that made me feel that there was hope. Dr. Sharda treats me as an individual. And yes, I am his cancer patient, but I'm also his patient just in general, in that he's taught me holistic medicine, the benefits of yoga, meditation, stretching, all around better health. It's been much easier than I ever thought it would be. I anticipated being deathly ill. I've seen all different kind of people coming in as patients for Dr. Sharda. And you can tell sometimes the new ones are afraid because they're new. But you can tell the ones that have been here a little longer because they're calmer. Dr. Sharda instills a confidence in us. He has the confidence, and it gives us confidence. Just knowing that he believes helps us believe. And so I've seen my fellow patients in the waiting room go from the lowest lows to even the highest highs. I recollect a patient that was here about the same time I was when I first started treatment. And that man looked so sick, and he was in a lot of pain because he had throat cancer, and the treatments did make his throat sore. But he got through it, and then I didn't see him for months, and we just happened to be here at the same time one day. He was completely healed, so happy, so joyous, and it was such an inspiration to see him, that he had gone through the hardest times and came out a survivor. And patients just are so grateful to Dr. Sharda, have such a confidence in him, and I've never heard a negative thing about him, ever.